Note that the lesson from your timetable is 1 hour 30 minutes. So what are you required to do? You have to make sure that you take up your pen and paper, so that when the teacher is giving points and other points are coming from your classroom, you'll be able to jot them down. You will make your own notes in the course of this lesson before the ones that are there for you to copy. And you will discover that you have some additional material when you are able to take down notes on your own. It is very, very important. You are supposed to make use of the 1 hour 30 minutes. Note that you can listen to the teacher talk, and as the teacher talks and you get the intervention, you can listen 1 time, 2 times, and then you get again to listen, and then this time around you can go step by step and take down points. When a particular area reaches and you want to take down the point, you pause there. You take down the point, you note the point. This is what makes you different from somebody who did not get the lesson online.